Okay, good morning. This is Mrs. Garcedo. I want to show some of you how to turn in assignment, how to do and how to turn in assignment number 1, because I do know that many of you are have not turned it in, and some of you are not turning it in because you don't know what to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do and how to turn in assignment number 1. So you're going to go to my class, which is Idea North Mission 6th grade. Okay, you go there. And here you see that I have an assignment. I'm going to X out of this. You see that I have extended the assignment. I'm giving you my announcement. Good morning. For those of you who have not completed your Notice and Wonder assignment, I'm extending the due date until tomorrow. For those of you who haven't already done it, great job. I will be giving those extra credit on another assignment. So if you haven't completed it, don't worry. I have extended the date until tomorrow, and I want to show you how to go to that assignment. So the first thing you need to do for assignment number 1 is you need to watch the 2 Wit and Wisdom videos. So what you need to do to find anything on the general, I need you to scroll up and down right here, okay, to be able to find that. If you don't know where to find things, you have to look for them here. Okay, and so for your first assignment, it tells you right here. I've scrolled up and it says first assignment. Watch these 2 videos. So you're going to, those are the 2 videos where you see the little boy. You could click here, or you could click here, or you could click here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on the link that's going to take me to the first video, for the 2 videos that help me complete assignment number 1. So I'm going to click on the videos. It's going to take me to another screen, and then you're just going to scroll down. Okay, and here are the 2 videos. Okay, so you're going to watch the first video. Your Notice and Wonder is not about the first video. I'm going to repeat that. The Notice and Wonder assignment, your lesson number 1, is not going to be about the first video. You just have to watch the first video. You watch the second video, okay? And so you press play, you watch the second video. The second video, it starts over here. Okay? You're going to watch the whole video. And then when it gets to this part, this is where you need to pay attention. Okay? The teacher is going to talk about this painting here. After you watch the video and you hear her talk about the painting, you're going to do your Notice and Wonder about this painting. Okay? Once the video is done, you could go ahead and you can exit out of this window to go back to your team's website. Okay? So here you are, you're back at Teams, you've watched the 2 videos, you've seen her explanation about the piece of art, and now you're going to go to turn in lesson 1. Okay? So then you're going to go down, you could go to assignments over here, you could scroll over here to look for assignments. There's assignment 4, assignment 3, and there's lesson number 1. So, but I'm going to go ahead and go over here to assignments. Okay, you're going to go to my class. My class is Idea North Mission 6th grade, because that's where you have assignment number 1 for my class. You hit next, and then you're going to go to lesson number 1, Notice and Wonder. Okay, and you see that I extended the date for tomorrow at 11:59. You go to lesson number 1. Okay, you don't turn it in yet. You go ahead and click on the lesson. And then it's going to take you to the Notice and Wonder. But if you notice, you can't write on this. You're going to have to go to the little dots over here to more options. You click it. You open in browser. It might take a little bit of time. That's okay. Sometimes you have to be patient because there's a lot of people logged on right now. And so a lot of people are trying to turn in their work. and then it'll take you to your lesson, okay, where you can actually type into the screen, okay? What I see a lot of you doing is you'll give me 3 notices and 3 wonders. I do want you to push yourselves, and I do want you to tell me a little bit more. So you'll go ahead and type, I notice, and you can also, you know what, you can go up here, you can put a bullet point, okay? I notice that there are 3 customers in the restaurant, okay? You could put a wonder, and remember, you could put a bullet point or you could put a number. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I'm going to enter. I want to have the same font as over here. I have it at 18, I think. I'll put a bullet point. I wonder why the man is alone. Okay. And then what you're, oops, look, there's a red line under restaurant. That means that I didn't spell restaurant correctly. So I'm going to right-hand click here, and then I will change that word. Okay, restaurant. Open suggestion, restaurant. There you go. So if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you change the word. Okay, I wonder why the man is alone. So remember, I want more than just 3 notice and wonders. Okay, right here for my example, I'm just gonna put 1, but I do want you to push yourself and put more than just 1 or 2 or 3. I want you to do more. Okay, please don't put the font bigger than an 18. Okay, because then you fill up the boxes very quickly. So here, to turn it in, you just X out of this. You don't do anything else here. You X out of that, and I don't want you to worry because you will not lose your work. You X out of that, and I know that here it looks blank, but that's okay. What you're gonna do is you're going to close out of this, okay? And then you're going to turn it in. Okay, you just press the turn in button. And so if you want to make sure that all your work is still there because you think, okay, it looks like I lost everything, don't worry. See, there it is right there. It's all there. You close it, and then you turn in. Okay, and then you'll turn in your first assignment. So please try to always go, that's how you turn in lesson 1. But please, I do want to push you guys to do the work on your own. Try to find answers on your own. Remember that everything is on the general page. Okay, everything for my class is on the general page. I have instructions here. I have links to the videos for every assignment. You just have to scroll up and down. If you're like, okay, I did assignment number 1, now I have to look for assignment number 2. Well, go to the general page and scroll and look for assignment number 2. So there's assignment number 2, and if you go here, it'll say, good morning, welcome to your first day of learning. I'm excited to get started. Here's a list of what you need to do today. Number 1, go to your homeroom. If you haven't done that, number 2, do assignment number 1. We just did that, and then you can go to see more. And then you're like, okay, what else do I do? Start an assignment number 1, Wit and Wisdom videos, these videos, and then it says watch how to turn in assignment and complete assignment number 2. So it tells you here everything that you need to do. Make sure to make a list for yourself. Okay, I have to do assignment number 1. I have to do assignment number 2. I have to read the instructions. And when you go to the assignments, it's going to tell you what you need to do. Okay? Every assignment tells you what you need to do. So if you go to lesson number 2, how to turn in my assignments, it says, assignment number 2 says, after watching the tutorial on the video of how to turn in assignments, complete assignment number 2. And you're like, okay, I haven't watched the tutorial. Well, go back to Teams, go to General, and look for the video. Look for the video on how to turn in assignments. It's like it should be here somewhere. There it is. See? Hi everyone, assignment number 2. I want everyone to watch the video on how to turn in assignments, and it's right there. So everything is here on the general site. So if you have any questions, please go to your homeroom, ask me the question, and I'll try to get back to you. But the first thing I'm going to ask you is, have you gone to the general page to try to find out for yourself? Okay, so go and do assignment number 1, turn in assignment number 1, watch the videos, look at the painting, and do your notice and wonder for lesson number 1. Okay, have a great day, guys.